got some Dancehation students here with me, and we're going to do a live class here at Dancehation. We're going to do core fit exercise, but today we're going to focus on the abdominal muscles. So we're going to do an ab combo of 4 different ab exercises, and we're going to repeat them 3 times. Hope you guys are ready. So get yourself a mat, get a water bottle, let's go. We're going to start with the scissors, so lie flat on your back, but you can curl up with your head. Be sure to stabilize those tummy muscles. Take the legs up to the ceiling, and now you're going to scissor the legs and then clap behind the leg each time. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember to breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And come up. Now balance in this position. Remember to squeeze the tummy. Hold the arms to the sides and now the side. And now we're going to bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn to your side. We're going to do 10 Navy SEAL crunchies. Hold to the front, squeezing the abs. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Remember to breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back to your back. Lie down on your elbows. Pick up your legs. We're going to do single leg stretch. But be sure to squeeze the tummy and don't slouch down. Lift your chest up. Here we go. 1, swap. 2, swap. 3, swap. 4, swap. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now turn all the way around. Now we're going to do Navy SEALs on the other side. Are you guys still with me?
Yes.
Good. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6. Squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now turn to your back again and we start from the top. Legs up. Scissors. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going. And 10. Good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come up. Now we're going to do balance explosions. Arms to the side. Squeeze the tummy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Navy SEALs to the side. Are you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, I feel it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn to the back again. On the elbows for a single leg stretch. Pick the legs up. Squeeze the tummy and extend. 1, 2, 3. Do you feel it?
Yes.
4, 5. I hope you feel it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, Navy SEALs on the other side again. Phew, it's burning, people. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Ladies, quickly get a sip of water, and then we've got one more we need to do. Okay. Get a sip of water. Get rid of all the sweat. Take a breath. Relax the tummy for a moment, and then we're going to go again. Woo! Ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you feel the burn?
Yes.
I'm so glad, because I'm feeling it. Okay, people, here we go. Scissors, legs up. If you feel this is too hard to keep the legs straight, you can bend them and do it there as well. Okay, here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Good. Turn to the side. Navy SEALs. Ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze, 8, 9, 10. Good. To the back again. On the elbows. Legs up. Single leg stretch. 1, swap. 2, swap. 3, swap. Breathe. 5, 6, woo, 7, 8, the burn is bad, 9, and 10, well done. Navy SEALs for a last time, other side. Woo. People, are you with me? I hope you are. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! And relax. Ladies, did you feel that?
Yes.
Oh, I felt that. I hope you guys at home felt it too. We're quickly just going to stretch a little bit. So I want you guys to turn around, lie on your tummy, on the mat. Now, put your hands to the side next to your chest. And then from there, I want you to pick up your upper body as high as you can. But do not arch to the back. Try to lengthen away from your hips. Okay, here we go. Pick up and stretch your tummy muscles. Squeeze the bum. Let us go. What do you feel?
My tummy.
Your tummy. Amanka, what do you feel?
Tummy.
Good. And breathe. Whew. Nicely done. Put it down. Now, if you want to, you can take your hands a little bit further to the back. Otherwise, keep it where it was. And now push up again. And the stretch will intensify. But we don't want you to feel it in the lower back. Only feel the tummy stretching. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Again, inhale. And on the exhale, put down slowly. Well done. And come back up. I want you guys to quickly sit on your mats. Cross your legs comfortably. Take a deep breath in. And out. Good. Now take the elbow to the side. Keep that bum on the floor and stretch over. Just as far as you can go. And I want you to feel the stretch here in the side. You can either twist a little bit up to the ceiling or twist down to the floor, depending on where you need to be to feel the stretch in the obliques, in the side tummy muscles. Inhale and exhale. Start cooling down. Once more in. And out. Well done. Slowly come up and then over to the other side. The elbow down. If you can't get all the way there, put down your hand. Keep the bum on the floor and stretch over. Good. You want to feel the stretch. Remember, you can either twist a little bit up to the ceiling or down to the floor, depending on where you need to be to feel the tummy muscles stretching. Now let's inhale and exhale through the mouth. Good. Start cooling down and relaxing. In once more. And out. Come back up. Slowly. Just sit up straight. Now take the arms up. Inhale. And as you exhale, melt into the floor. Well done. I hope you guys had fun.